Hi everyone, in this video I'll be teaching you how to turn off inverted camera iPhone. First things first, you want to open the settings app on your iPhone, then swipe or scroll down until you reach the camera section and tap on it. Look then for the option called Mirror Prone Camera and toggle it on. Now, just go to the photo you want to edit. Then click Edit in the top right-hand corner. And on the Edit page, just find the symbol with two arrows at the bottom. Click the symbol, then tap the one on the left in the top left-hand corner. As this will invert your photo. Once you are satisfied, just press Done in the bottom right-hand corner to save the changes. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you.